You are not dating, right? Me too, I'm single.
Okay.
So what's up? You are dating. For sure. But right now you're not dating.
No, right now I'm not.
You're not. Why?
You're too free.
Chill. Have you ever gifted him before?
Oh yes, I always do. I always do.
You always do.
Yeah.
What's up, billionaires? Welcome to another episode. Alright, so it's educative and informative when it comes to this channel. I hope you get it. So today we are asking people that have you guys dated before? And in a relationship, did you guys gift yourself with something? So I think you would like to watch this video to the end. Turn on the post notifications, so when I drop an informative and educative content like this, you are the first to benefit. Let's get this video done. You dig? What's up, beautiful ladies? How you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm good.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm cool.
I'm also good.
Yeah, good. What's your name?
Araba.
Araba.
I'm Emmanuel.
Great.
Grace. Hey. Then today I'm about to grace my channel though. Grace.
If one.
Joanna.
Joanna. Okay, so the vibe is simple, yeah. Supposedly, are you dating?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're dating. For sure. How are you?
No, I'm not dating.
Why?
No reason though.
Okay.
I'm just not ready for anybody right now.
Eh.
Oh shit.
How long have you been dating? How long?
For about 7 months.
7 months. It's not up to a year. Let's make it general. Your previous or this one. You guys were sharing like something like gifts, right? Oh,
Something like that.
something like that. He was buying you things, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever given him a gift before?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
My current one.
Boyfriend.
No, really.
Not really.
Are you silly?
Or are you dating or something?
No.
You're not. Why?
Hey, my friend.
Why?
You're too pretty to be single.
I'm not ready.
Ayaka.
You're not ready. How about you, Efua?
I'm in a relationship.
You're in a relationship. How long have you guys been dating?
2 years.
2 years. You're not. You guys have been sharing like gifts or something like that.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so have you ever gifted him before?
Oh yes. I always do. I always do.
You always do.
Love goes sweet too.
Yeah.
But that's one of the things. It's personal, right?
Yeah.
Have you been in a relationship before, or are you dating?
Oh, I've been in one before.
Okay, but right now you're not dating.
No, right now I'm not.
Hey.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
In your previous relationship, how long did you guys date?
Like 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Was that a relationship? Was that really a relationship? 2
Yeah,
weeks.
you could see that.
Were you guys gracing yourself with like gifts, those kind of things?
Yeah, we used to give gifts to each other. She once bought me this, I don't know, necklace thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In school, the only thing I could get her was edible gifts.
Mhm.
You know, like maybe
Yeah.
I give her a drink or
Yeah.
buy some food stuff for her. Yeah, those.
Love goes sweet too.
You're not dating, right? Me too, I'm single.
Okay.
So what's up? I'm kind of interested. I'm serious.
Eh.
She want me.
Have you dated before?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
20. Ghana here. You have not dated before.
No.
Ish. I think I'll be your first and last.
Okay.
Huh? You okay there? Just focus on certain things, and I don't think it's really important. Right, so if you love someone and that thing is not semi-pawasama, I will just introduce you to Christ. It's very important. I hope you get it.
Gifts,
So
I think gifts, they are normal things that you need to be given in a relationship, and it has to be like both sides. I hope you get it. It has to be something mutual. I hope you get it. It's not one person giving to the other person. I hope you get it. So, yeah, as a Christian, it's good that you give Christian stuff as a gift too. But me create your fasting, man. It's a gift. Oh, it's not a gift. I bet you it's a gift. It's a gift. Alright, so thank you for consuming this content. More content like this coming. Turn on the post notifications, so when I drop an informative content like this, you are the first to benefit. Educative content like this, you are the first to benefit. It's Billy T, and I'm out. Bless up.
Getting caught up with the cash, nigga, we can't run out the door. People treat me like an outcast, know they give me the most. If I don't rap, if I don't show up, nigga, they gon' shout at the show. Nigga, get the hell out of the way, too late. I already made a couple more suitcases. I done got a little more patience.